There we go, just sitting under 380 brake, a nice 385 sitting on the S3 here, the 2015 model, saloon style. I'll give it a wee cold start. It's sat here for a couple of weeks now. Right, go for it big man, turn her over. Machine like. Let's get the custom Milltek low exhaust on it. It's sitting on the turbo back exhaust. In fact, it's a cart back Milltek. It's only got the cart back. It's sitting on the stage 2 remap. It's got all the carbon fibre splitters. Nice big 20-inch wheels. A nice carbon fibre splitter on the front of it. Lovely place to have German engineering. This thing is a fucking weapon.
For sale?
For sale.